This is the story of this guy, 30 years old, been having thinning of the hair, and his hairline receded, and he is level 3. And today is day 7. Let's have a look at the recipient area and the donor area. The most important day today is day 7. This is the hairline design that we have drawn, and this is the area that we fill up. This is the left frontal temple angle. Today, all the microscopes are out. He healed very well in the smart FA technique. We can see the density, the angle and direction is placed correctly according to the international guideline. And behind here is the existing hair. At the side here is the hair at the temple is going very acutely. As we plant, we follow exactly the direction of this additional hair so that he get a result that is natural. This is the hairline, and this is on the left side. So today's day 7, he healed very well. Today's day 7, we can see the hair is already starting to grow to cover the area. So in the smart FUE, the donor area heals rapidly. The upper part of the hair able to cover now is undetectable.
Hari ini hari ke-7 selepas saya buat transplant. Kalau dulu saya malu-malu nak sikat rambut ke belakang, sekarang saya dah more confident. So prosedur pun memang very professional, dengan all the nurses memang membantu. So saya nak terima kasih dekat Datuk Profesor Dr. Jas G. Terima kasih Datuk. Thank you Glomac.